Shalom.
I'm Liz.
I'm Roy.
And I'm Maddie.
And today we're going to be cooking eggplant parmesan.
Cook 'em.
Cook 'em!
Before starting to cook, make sure to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds.
Preheat the oven to 425 and line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper.
In a bowl, combine panko, half a cup of Parmesan, and Italian seasoning. Season lightly with salt and pepper.
Wash the 2 large eggplants thoroughly. And then slice both into half-inch thick rounds.
Whisk the eggs and season lightly with salt and pepper.
Dip the eggplant slices into the eggwash and coat with the panko combination. Make sure to wash your hands between ingredients.
Spray the slices lightly with cooking spray and place in the oven. Once they're golden brown, take them out of the oven and begin layering your dish with layers of marinara, eggplant, and cheeses. Continue until your ingredients run out.
We used raw egg in our recipe for the wash, which can contain harmful pathogens, so we baked our dish at 425 degrees Fahrenheit to make sure that the egg was cooked thoroughly.
A convection oven uses circulating heat current to cook the eggplant parm, resulting in conduction as the heated surface transfers heat to the center via direct contact. When you take it out of the oven, the eggplant parm should be brown and bubbling.
Sprinkle some Parmesan on top.
As the cheese melts, casing molecules pull apart, making your mozzarella stretchy.
Enjoy!
That's so good!
It is?